What is up, guys? Welcome back to the Swoops channel. My name is Matthew Ramos, and on this channel I aim to entertain, inform, and inspire using the topic of discussion as always, which is superheroes. So guys, today I'm bringing you another unboxing video, and I have the package here, and I'm gonna be unboxing a Venom face mask from this company called Geek Rebels. Now, if you guys like how the face mask looks and are interested in buying it, check the link in the description. So let's get right into unboxing this and let's try it on. So we got the package here. It's very skinny, as you guys can see. So let's tear it open like this. Ooh, okay. So as you guys can see, we have the Venom face mask here. Ooh, oh my god, guys. Look how this looks. Dude, that looks dope. And then here we have on the bottom of the face mask, it says Venom. Oh my god. Guys, this actually looks so dope. So I want to try it on now and let's get a look to see how it looks when it's on me. Oh my god, guys, this actually looks so dope. Like, picture me, like a little workout montage wearing this. This actually looks so dope. You could also wear it different ways, not just like this. If I wanted to put my hair back, I can literally wear it like this. You could put it in a do-rag. Like, there's so many ways you can wear this. It has a little instruction manual here that shows you all the different ways you can wear this. But oh my god, this is actually so dope. And with Venom being such a dope comic book character, this is just a perfect little accessory that, shows us the best parts of Venom, which is his badass smile. Woo! That looks dope. Now, I'm definitely gonna be sporting this when I'm like jet skiing, or maybe when I'm working out. Actually, cue the workout montage.
Knock, knock, let the devil in. Shotgun, pick pellets in the felt pin. Cock, look around and catch a hot one. It's evident I'm not done. Vic Venom is the thought spun like a weapon. You're just carting them. Held against your will like a hubcap or mud flat. Beat strangler attack. So this ain't gonna feel like a love tap. Eat painkiller pills from a gut track. Like what's her name's at the wheel. Then a cup patch through the car in the reverse at the Indian nut crash in India. The back of the just mangled steel. My Mustang and the Jeep Wrangler.
So there you guys have it. If you guys enjoyed this video and like this mask, check it out, links in the description. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe and hit that like button. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed, and see you guys next time.